Okay, so we're here at St. John, so we're doing our floral arranging demonstration. So this is part of the Tpss 120E class, Plants for People Ornamentals. So we have plants that were donated by Greenpoint Nurseries from the Big Island, so mostly tropicals. And then we grew some of the plants, particularly the sunflowers and the eucalyptus here at Magoon. Yeah, the students are just having a hands-on experience. Most of these students are actually non-majors, and hopefully this class can help us recruit more students into the college and into the TAE program.
Van Gogh painting.